Alright, so as you can see, it's not the prettiest. However, we do have this thing TIG welded on there. I mean, the welds aren't the best, but you know what? They work. They're doing what they're supposed to do. Hold the cover on, and yeah, let's keep welding some stuff. All right. Alright. I have one more spot I want to tack weld. And then I'll probably be done with welding for tonight. I'll practice getting better at this, and then we'll kind of go from there. I love it for tack welding. Yeah, it's perfect for tack welding. I don't know if I'll be able to do the rest of it tonight or not. My assumption is no, because the welder keeps shutting off. But we can try to go again. Oh yeah. Man, honestly, if I can get this thing to stop shutting off, I can definitely get this going a lot better. But I have it hooked up to a power strip. All right. I'm about to be done for the night. Alright, well, we got the chain guard on. That's a good thing. That's all we needed to do. Now what we need to do is clean the chain guard up. The welds may not be the prettiest, but they'll hold for sure. I'll get better at TIG welding. This is only my second time in my entire life TIG welding.